Welcome, content creators and strategists. Today, we delve into a course summary of Mastering Content Strategy, Research, Brainstorming, and Organization. This course summary is a concise and informative overview of our comprehensive course designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge to plan, research, brainstorm, and organize your content strategy effectively. Every piece of content you create, whether it's a blog post, a video, or a social media update, is a part of your larger content strategy. It's the roadmap guiding you to where you want to go, helping you decide how to get there, and indicating when you've arrived. A well-executed content strategy can drastically improve the performance of your content, and that's what we aim to help you achieve with this course. In this summary, we'll be covering the key insights from each module of our course. We start by exploring the art of content planning, where you'll learn about the fundamentals of devising a well-structured content strategy. We then move on to research and audience analysis, providing you with strategies to understand your target audience and the prevailing market trends. The third part of our journey delves into the creative process of brainstorming. Here you'll discover techniques for generating fresh and engaging content ideas that resonate with your audience. In the fourth segment, we'll guide you through content organization and planning techniques, sharing tips for creating content calendars and maintaining consistency in your content delivery. Lastly, we'll touch on content optimization strategies to maximize your content's reach and engagement, discussing the importance of SEO and metadata in the process. This course summary is designed to give you a glimpse of the rich, in-depth content our course offers. It's a taster, an appetizer, if you will, before you dive into the main course. The insights you'll gain from this summary are valuable, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. Whether you're starting your content creation journey or you're looking to refine your existing strategy, this course summary is designed to offer you valuable insights. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let's take that step together. Content planning is much more than just deciding what to post and when. It's a strategic process that requires thoughtful deliberation, keen insight, and a dash of creativity. It's the art of crafting compelling narratives that resonate with your audience, and it's the science of optimizing those narratives to achieve your goals. In essence, it's the backbone of any successful content strategy. Our first module delves into the fundamental principles of content planning, presenting a holistic picture of what it means to plan content effectively. We begin by unraveling the intricate web of content strategy, explaining why a well-structured strategy is crucial in the digital age. You see, in the vast ocean of online content, it's not enough to simply create. You must also captivate. And a sound content strategy is your compass, guiding you towards content that not only engages your audience but also aligns with your objectives. We then explore the role of content planning within this broader strategy. Just as an architect wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, a content creator shouldn't produce content without a plan. This plan serves as your roadmap, outlining what content to create, when to publish it, and how to promote it. But it's not a static document. Rather, it's a living, breathing entity that evolves with your audience, your goals, and the ever-changing digital landscape. Next, we delve into the nitty-gritty details of crafting this plan. From setting clear objectives and defining your audience to choosing the right content formats and platforms, we guide you through each step of the content planning process. And we don't stop there. We also provide actionable tips and techniques to help you execute your plan effectively. But perhaps the most important lesson from Module 1 is the value of flexibility in content planning. In a world where trends change at the speed of a tweet, rigid plans can quickly become obsolete. That's why we emphasize the importance of agility, encouraging you to adapt your plan as needed to stay relevant and resonant. As we wrap up this module, we leave you with one final thought. Content planning isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about learning from your successes and failures, refining your approach, and continually striving to create better content. And while it may seem daunting at first, with practice and persistence, it becomes second nature. So, whether you're an aspiring content creator or a seasoned pro, we invite you to join us on this journey. Together, we'll navigate the twists and turns of content planning uncovering the art and science that lies beneath the surface. And who knows, you might just discover a passion for planning that you never knew you had. Remember, effective content planning is the foundation of any successful content strategy. So, let's lay that foundation together, one piece of content at a time. Understanding your audience is key to creating engaging and relevant content. This statement rings true for every content creator out there, regardless of the platform used. In Module 2 of our course, we delve into the significance of research and audience analysis in crafting a successful content strategy. So what does research entail in this context? It's about delving into the depths of your chosen field or topic, understanding the intricacies, and keeping an eye on the current trends. It's about knowing what's happening now, what's been done before, and what could possibly be the next big thing. Research is your compass in the vast, often chaotic world of content creation. It helps you navigate and find your unique path. Now you might wonder, how do I conduct this research? Well, the good news is, in this digital age, information is at your fingertips. You can use various online tools and platforms to gather data. Look for articles, blog posts, videos, podcasts, and any other forms of content related to your topic. Keep an eye on social media trends too. They're often a goldmine for fresh, exciting content ideas. And don't forget to check out your competitors' content. Not to copy, but to learn and to find inspiration. After you've gathered enough information, it's time to analyze and interpret the data. Look for patterns, similarities, and differences. Try to understand what kind of content your target audience prefers. What topics are they interested in? What format do they find most engaging? What are their pain points and how can your content address those? These insights will help you create content that truly resonates with your audience. Next, let's talk about audience analysis. It might sound like a complex term, but it's really about understanding who your audience is, what they want, and how you can cater to their needs. It's about putting yourself in their shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. This understanding will not only help you create content that your audience will love, but also build a strong, loyal community around your brand. So how do you conduct an audience analysis? You can start by creating a buyer persona or an ideal audience profile. This is a fictional representation of your ideal audience, including their demographics, interests, challenges, and goals. You can use online surveys, social media analytics, and other tools to gather this information. Keep in mind, the more detailed your audience profile is, the better you can tailor your content to their needs and preferences. And there you have it, the essence of Module 2. We've just scratched the surface here, but these insights should give you a good starting point. Remember, understanding your audience and staying updated with market trends isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that should be an integral part of your content strategy. In-depth audience analysis and market research are essential steps in crafting a content strategy that resonates with your audience. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Creating content that stands out in the crowded digital space requires innovative thinking. Welcome to Module 3 of our course, where we delve into the art of brainstorming creative ideas. This stage is where the magic happens, as it is the birthplace of unique, engaging, and remarkable content. In the world of content creation, creativity is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the secret ingredient that distinguishes memorable content from the rest. But how can one consistently come up with fresh and engaging ideas? Well, the first step is to let your mind wander. Yes, you heard it right. Letting your thoughts flow freely can lead to unexpected and innovative ideas. So, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Next, don't shy away from exploring different content formats. Whether it's a blog post, a podcast, a video, or an infographic, experimenting with various forms can spark new ideas and provide fresh perspectives. Another technique is to keep an eye on trends. What's popular? What are people talking about? By staying current, you can tap into the zeitgeist and create content that resonates with your audience. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Brainstorming sessions with your team, or even with people outside your field, can bring diverse perspectives and ideas to the table. Remember, two heads are often better than one. Finally, make use of brainstorming tools and techniques. Mind maps, word association games, or even a simple pen and paper can help you organize your thoughts and spur creativity. But remember, while brainstorming, it's essential to keep your audience in mind. What are their interests, their needs, their pain points? By aligning your creative ideas with your audience's preferences, you can create content that not only stands out, but also strikes a chord with your viewers. With a clear understanding of your audience and a dash of creativity, you can craft content that truly captivates your viewers. So let your imagination run wild and let the brainstorming begin. Organizing your content effectively is just as important as creating it. A well-oiled content machine is the result of careful planning and organization. This is what Module 4 of our course delves into, sharing valuable insights and techniques. Imagine your content as a library. Without a proper system, finding a specific book in the library can be like looking for a needle in a haystack. The same holds true for your content. If it's not well organized and easy to navigate, your audience could miss out on valuable information. This is where content calendars come into play. They're like your content GPS, guiding you through your content journey. They help you plan what content to create, when to publish it, and where to distribute it. But remember, a content calendar is not just a schedule, it's a strategic tool. It helps you align your content with your marketing goals, ensuring that every piece of content serves a purpose. However, having a content calendar is just half the battle won. The other half is maintaining consistency. Consistency in content creation is not just about frequency, it's about maintaining a consistent voice, style, and quality that reflects your brand. This helps build trust and loyalty among your audience. But what does consistency look like in practice? It's about creating a content routine and sticking to it. Whether it's posting a new video every week or a blog post every month, make sure you're delivering quality content regularly. It's also about maintaining a consistent tone and style across all your content. Whether it's a blog post, a podcast, or a social media post, every piece of content should feel like it's coming from the same source. Finally, be consistent in measuring and analyzing your content's performance. This will help you understand what's working, what's not, and where you need to make adjustments. So, in essence, content organization and planning is like conducting an orchestra. Every piece of content is an instrument that needs to be tuned and played at the right time to create a harmonious symphony. An organized content plan not only keeps you on track but also ensures your content is consistently engaging and relevant.